As of right now, the rain has stopped. It's about 5 minutes after I did that last video. Right now, all I'm watching is the lightning and listening to the thunder. It's just sprinkling right now, but the lightning is behind the clouds now. Flashing beautifully, lighting up the night sky, lighting up clouds. I don't know if the moon's back out yet, but oh, that one was pretty. As you can see, the lightning with behind the cloud when it moves away, when the lightning is back behind you or in front of you, whichever the case may be, it just lights up the clouds in the night sky like that. That was just beautiful. Oh, that was beautiful. Oh, that was perfect. This is why I love lightning so much. I don't know what the weather forecast is right now, but ooh, wow. But I don't know if we're going to have another wave of rain, but right now it's just calm. Just a bunch of lightning and a lot of thunder. Very electrical night tonight. Somebody's pissed off up there. Come on, Zeus, show them what you got. I'm gonna move to another location. I'm going to keep my camera on the storm. Yes, the rain has ceased. The lightning continues. Looks like it's kind of snowing. I don't know if you can see the rain. Wow. That's rain, not snow. Kind of looks like snow. We're at the Days Inn in Garner, North Carolina, near Timber Drive. Well, that's all I have time for. Thank you.